Dear students, today is the most important remedial class. Today we are going to discuss about air pollution in maintenance. Already we have read this chapter. If you have any doubt, then you can ask some questions. Who can say the questions? Let's stand up.
What is pure air?
His question is what is pure air? What is pure air? Who can say the answer? Yes.
Air is a mixture of gases comprising of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, a little less than 1% of argon, together with 0.03% of carbon dioxide. And it will make the elements make of 99.9% of dry air. As long as this composition is managed, the air is called pure.
Yes, thank you, Pratibha. She has given the right answer. Sit down all. What is pure air? His question was, what is pure air? Air is a mixture of gases comprising 78% nitrogen. Air is a mixture comprising of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and little less than 1% of argon, together with 0.03% of carbon dioxide. These elements make up 99.9% of a dry air. As long as the composition is maintained, the air is pure. When the composition is altered, it is what? Pure air. Thank you. Then what is the second question we can ask? What is acid rain? It is most important question. Nowadays we are repeating on acid rain. Then who can say the answer? Yes. Tell this Satyam.
Acid rain is a type of rain that contains oxide of sulfur. It damages that it falls on, and it also damages water, animals and plants, and also it damages stone buildings.
Then acid rain. Thank you. Acid rain. Another concept is acid rain. This is rain or other precipitation that contains oxide of sulfur and nitrogen. It is the most important line. Acid rain contains oxide of sulfur and nitrogen, along with other chemicals. Oxide of sulfur and nitrogen, along with the other chemicals. Acid rain causes damage in lakes and rivers. It poisons the plants and animals that live in the water. It may also affect crops and other plants, stone buildings, monuments, and drinking water. Nowadays it is a big problem. Thank you. Another question we can ask.
What are the basic approach to control air pollution?
It is most important question. Nowadays most important problem is air pollution. And what are the three basic approach to control air pollution? Who can answer?
The three basic approaches to control air pollution, they are preventing measure, collection measure, disposal measure. Changing the raw material in industry or changing the fuel in the under the changing the raw material. This is called a preventing measure. Disposal measure, reducing the height of smokestacks in industry, which is under the disposal measure. Collection measure, designing equipment to trap pollutant before they escape into the atmosphere, come under collection measure.
Yes. Three basic approaches are, first one is preventive measures. Preventive measures means we have to change the gradation of raw materials. We have to use high grades of fuels, such as if you want to use some coal, that means heat cleaner bitumen anthracite. Anthracite coal has more carbon, so it is good coal. So we have to use such type of coal. Then dispersal measures, that means we have to make the raising the height of a smokestack. Then third one is
design equipment to trap pollutant before they escape into the atmosphere.
good. We have to design the equipment in such a manner that the equipments have to trap the pollutants before they release into the atmosphere. Okay, it is one of the